Bahia Principe. Bahia Principe. Bahia Principe. Oh! Sabor.
Good morning everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful morning. My name is Paulina and I'm a yoga instructor in Bahia Principe Fantasia Hotel, and today I prepared for you a short waking up yoga sequence to start the day off really well. Buenos días a todos y espero que tenéis una mañana preciosa. Mi nombre es Paulina y soy la profesora de yoga en Bahia Principe Hotel. Y hoy preparé para vosotros una secuencia de yoga para despertarse muy bien por la mañana. Si ya estamos listos, lo único que necesitamos es una toalla o un mat y buen humor. So if you're ready, we're gonna start, and the only thing that we need is the mat or a towel and just a good mood. Let's start in a standing position, ¿ok? Vamos a empezar con la posición del pie. Espero que me podéis ver bien, escuchar bien. I hope you can see me and hear me well. We're gonna start with standing position with both legs together. Vamos a empezar con la posición con las dos piernas juntas. Voy a estar de lado para que me veáis mejor. Y manos en el pecho, hands on your chest. You can close the eyes for a moment. Podemos cerrar los ojos por un momento. Mantenemos la tripa fuerte. We keep the abs really strong. The whole body is relaxed but strong as well. Todo el cuerpo está relajado pero también fuerte. Relajamos los hombros, relax your shoulders and breathe. Take 3 deep inhales and exhales. Respiramos dentro y expiramos. Inhale through your nose and exhale. One more. Uno más. Muy bien. Abrimos los ojos. Open your eyes. From here, we're going to take a deep inhale. Hands up. And with exhale, we're going to go slowly to the front, releasing the hips to the back. La espalda recta, doblamos un poquito las rodillas, bend your knees a little bit, and what we want to do here is we want to draw the hands down to the mat. You can bend the knees a little bit, podemos doblar las rodillas un poquito, coger nuestros codos, we grab your elbows and just try to relax everything here, okay? Relajamos la cabeza, relax your head. Just stay here for a couple of breaths. Relax your stomach. Relajamos la tripa. Podéis cerrar los ojos. Y respiramos. And breathe. One more. Uno más. Good job. Okay. Put your hands on the mat, ponemos las manos en el suelo, estiramos las piernas, miramos adelante, inhale. And exhale, bend the knees, put the stomach on your legs and relax again. You can grab the hands, you can leave them here, podéis dejar las manos en el suelo, podéis poner los codos como queréis, ¿ok? Y respiramos aquí un momento. Relajamos todo, podéis moverse un poquito, mover la cadera. Y otra vez, inhale. Look to the front, stretch. And exhale, slowly go back. If you can, si podéis, intentamos mantener las piernas rectas. You can try to keep your legs as straight as possible. You can grab your ankles, podéis coger vuestros tobillos y mantener lo máximo la tripa cerca de las piernas. And stay here for a moment. Relax your head. If not, remember you can always bend the knees and just stay here for a moment. One more time, inhale. Look to the front, back straight, very important here. And with exhale, we're gonna bend the knees, doblamos las rodillas, inhale, manos arriba, hands up, and we're in the chair pose. Look to the front, tuck your tailbone in, look up. Bring your hands to your chest, manos al pecho, and we're gonna twist here. So you want to block the knee and the elbow, look up and twist. Abrimos las manos, open your hands, and try to twist a little bit more. Intentamos a girar un poquito más. Miramos hacia arriba y volvemos. We go back to the middle, go back to the chair. Exhale, bring the hands to your chest and twist to the other side. Open. Slowly go back, volvemos y volvemos arriba. Exhale, hands down, very good, okay. I'm gonna go to the other side. So what we want to do right now here, I'm going to go to the back of the mat, vamos atrás, y de aquí solamente vamos con la pierna derecha adelante, okay? Okay, we are right here, we're gonna go into the lunge. So you're gonna bend the knee, you can move the foot a little bit more to the front, bend the other leg down, put the toes on the mat, ponemos los dedos en el suelo, y aquí inhale, manos arriba, hands up, look up, stay here for a couple of breaths, exhale, hands down, stay here for a moment, and again, inhale, hands up, try to drop the hips a little bit more down, intentamos a bajar la cadera un poquito más, la espalda recta, miramos arriba, exhale down. Una vez más, one more time, inhale, hands up, exhale, hands down. Very good. From here we're gonna lift the toes, and we're gonna lift the leg up. Staying here, if you can, try to stay here holding the hands on the mat. If not, you can put the blocks. If you have, you can use the 2 books. Podéis también utilizar los libros o los 2 bloques de yoga si les tenéis, si no podéis tocar el suelo. Si estamos aquí, intentamos a mantener el low lunge, la pierna detrás está recta y la otra está doblada. Aquí muy importante que la rodilla no puede sobresalir los dedos. Here it's very, very important to keep the leg in the back straight, and here the knee and the toes, the knee cannot go over the toes, okay? Stay here for a couple of more breaths. Just hold. And now we're gonna move front and back. Y empezamos a movernos. Adelante y atrás. La pierna está recta. The leg is straight. Very good. Perfect. Okay, from here, we're gonna move the leg to the front a little bit, and we're gonna straighten both legs. If you have the blocks, and if you cannot put the hands on the floor, use the blocks, okay? Or use 2 books. Si no podéis poner las manos en el suelo, utilizamos los bloques o 2 libros. Mantenemos las manos en el suelo, levantamos el talón de la pierna atrás y volvemos a ponerlos en el suelo otra vez. Inhale up, lift your heel, and exhale, push the heel down, keeping both legs straight, and up, and exhale down, back straight, la espalda recta, inhale up, and exhale down, one more, inhale up, and exhale down. Bend the knee and bring both legs together, inhale, hands up, Exhale down. Very good. You go one more time to the back. Gonna do the same to the other side. So move the leg to the front as far as you can go. We're gonna bend the knee, go into the low lunge, put the toes on the mat, ponemos los dedos en el suelo, la rodilla no sobresale el pie y vamos a hacer lo mismo. Inhale, hands up. Stay here. And exhale, hands down. Stay here for a moment. Try to drop the hips as much down as you can. And again, inhale up. And exhale, slowly down. Uno más, one more. Inhale, hands up, manos arriba. Inhale, la espalda recta. Intentamos a bajar la cadera lo máximo que podemos. Exhale, go back. Very good. Okay, we're gonna tackle the toes. I'm gonna go up. So you see my leg is straight, la pierna está recta, las manos a los dos lados de la pierna adelante. Y mantenemos aquí un momentito. And we're gonna hold it here for a second. Breathe, respiramos. Now slowly gonna start moving front and back. Empezamos a movernos adelante, atrás. Estiramos la pierna recta. Leg is straight. Move front and back. Very good. And just a little bit more. Perfect. Okay, move the leg to the front. Both legs are straight. Back is straight. Hands are on both sides of the leg. If you can't, remember about the blocks. Movemos las manos a dos lados, perdón, de la pierna. Y si no los podéis poner en el suelo, acordamos de los blocks o de los libros. Y empezamos a mover el pie adelante y abajo. And we start to move front and back. Inhale, exhale. La espalda recta, back straight. Uno más, one more. And back. Very good. Okay, start moving your hands to the side. Movemos las manos al lado. Movemos los pies. And we're gonna open the toes outside. Gonna put the hands on the floor. If you cannot reach all the way down, you can put the blocks down, or you can stay like this or with your fist. Or you can simply open the legs a little bit more, okay? Si no podéis tocar el suelo, podéis mover las manos así, puños o de los dedos. Podéis utilizar los bloques o los libros, o solamente podéis abrir las piernas un poquito más, ¿ok? De aquí, movemos las manos al suelo y intentamos estirar la espalda, mirando adelante, empujamos el lumbar hacia abajo. So we were trying to roll the spine down, we try to look to the front. Push your lower back down, use your core, stay here for a couple of breaths. You should feel a nice stretch in the back part of your legs and in your back as well. Very good, okay. Now relax here. We're gonna go a little bit deeper and we start to move the hips from side to side. Intentamos a bajar un poquito más y solo empezamos a mover la cadera de un lado al otro. One side to the other, very good. Legs are straight, las piernas están rectas, solo movemos la cadera. Okay, one more time, stretch the back, look to the front. Otra vez miramos adelante, estiramos la espalda. Stay here, keep your core strong. Mantenemos los abdominales fuertes. slowly move the legs to the front. Movemos las piernas juntas. Doblamos las rodillas, bend the knees, and slowly roll yourself back up. Very good. Start moving your shoulders back. Movemos los hombros hacia atrás. Take a deep inhale up. And exhale, roll forward. Bend the knees and go back up. Slowly rolling spine up. Again, inhale, hands up. Exhale, down. Bend the knees and roll yourself up. Una vez más, inhale up. Bajamos adelante, espalda recta, doblamos las rodillas y poco a poco levantamos. Very good job. I hope you enjoyed the class. It was a quick waking up session. Gracias a todos. Espero que os haya gustado la sesión. Espero que estamos ya todos despiertos y podemos empezar el día súper bien. Namaste. Thank you very much. Namaste. Have a great day.
¡Ay! Estoy aquí, Angelito. Bahía Príncipe, un sueño hecho realidad. Me voy, adiós, muy pronto volveré. Me voy, adiós, muy pronto volveré. Me siento muy triste, hoy me marcharé. Aunque iré muy lejos, prometo volver. Gracias, buen amigo, por darme tu amor. Te llevo conmigo en mi corazón. Muy agradecido, yo me iré de aquí. Gracias, buen amigo, me hiciste feliz. Volveré, volveré. Amigos, le prometo, volveré. Volveré. Gratos recuerdos llevo de Bahía Príncipe. Yo volveré, yo volveré, a Bahía Príncipe. Me voy, adiós, muy pronto volveré. Me voy, adiós, muy pronto volveré. Adiós.